Welcome to a new episode of Health Basket. Well, you gotta understand there are various causes for dark circles. The commonest we see in India is the structural deficit, which has to do with the way our bones, the fat, and the skin in this area is formed. And the way to treat this is by using something called fillers, hyaluronic acid fillers. And we inject basically 2 to 3 points in this area. It lifts up that skin, and immediately the dark circle looks a whole lot better. The results last about a year to year and a half. And it's called the tear trough injections. You've got to be cautious while getting this done because you have to do it with trained dermatologists. So this is one aspect. Now if you're treating with other kinds of dark circles, so let's say you have hay fever, allergies, sinusitis, that means there's constant pooling of blood in this area. You're not getting a good lymphatic drainage because the whole area is clogged. So that means you're having a problem with stasis. In this kind of dark circle, you need lymphatic drainage massages, and even just at home using your 2 ring fingers, just going from the inner eye to the outer eye, just doing this 5 times morning, 5 times afternoon, 5 times evening will help. Before doing that, you can apply a bit of vitamin E from the capsule, or you can apply a little bit of moisturizer if you don't have oily skin, or any kind of oil to do this, because you don't want to rub the skin too harsh in this area because it is the thinnest skin in your body. And if you rub it too harsh, you yourself can cause a little bit of micro bleeding in this area, which can again lead to more pigmentation. So that is one way, because you need to do lymphatic drainage, or you can have radio frequency lymphatic drainages at skin clinics done, which will definitely help with this area. Something like a Polagen or a Venus or a Viora is ideal for this area.